Welcome to this introduction to polymers, one of the most important topics in organic chemistry. Polymers are large chain molecules, also known as macromolecules, that are made up of repeating units. These fascinating structures are found everywhere in nature and in synthetic materials we use daily. Understanding polymers is essential for comprehending both biological systems and modern materials science. So what exactly are polymers? Polymers are large molecules composed of many repeating structural units called monomers, all connected by covalent bonds. The word polymer comes from Greek, where poly means many and meros means parts. Think of polymers as long chains where each link is a monomer unit bonded to the next. These chains can contain hundreds, thousands, or even millions of repeating units, making them some of the largest molecules in chemistry. Let's clarify the relationship between monomers and polymers. A monomer is a single repeating unit, a small molecule that acts as the building block. It's like one link in a chain. When many of these monomers join together through chemical bonds, they form a polymer, which is a large macromolecule with a long chain structure. This transformation from individual monomers to a connected polymer chain is the foundation of polymer chemistry. The process of forming polymers is called polymerization. During polymerization, monomers undergo chemical reactions where they bond together to form polymer chains. Imagine taking many individual building blocks and connecting them one after another to create a long chain. This chemical reaction can occur through different mechanisms, but the result is always the same. Small monomer molecules combine to create large polymer molecules with unique properties. Polymers can be classified into two main categories, natural and synthetic. Natural polymers are found in nature and have biological origins. Examples include proteins, deoxyribonucleic acid, cellulose, and rubber. These are essential for life and biological processes. Synthetic polymers, on the other hand, are human-made and created in laboratories. These include plastics, nylon, polyester, and teflon. Synthetic polymers have revolutionized modern technology and manufacturing. Polymers have several distinctive properties that make them unique. First, they have very high molecular weights, ranging from thousands to millions of atomic mass units. Second, they possess unique strength characteristics, being both strong and flexible at the same time. Third, they maintain a repeating structure with consistent monomer patterns throughout the entire chain. Finally, polymers have incredibly diverse applications, spanning materials science, biology, medicine, and technology. These properties make polymers indispensable in both natural systems and industrial applications. Let's look at some common polymer examples to understand their diversity. Deoxyribonucleic acid is made of nucleotide monomers and carries genetic information. Proteins consist of amino acid monomers and perform countless biological functions. Cellulose is composed of glucose monomers and provides structural support in plants. Polyethylene uses ethylene monomers and is found in plastic bags and bottles. Nylon is formed from diamines and diacids and is used in textiles and fibers. Teflon is made from tetrafluoroethylene monomers and creates nonstick coatings. Each polymer has unique properties based on its monomer structure. Polymers are fundamental to our world for many reasons. First, they are essential for all life on Earth, forming the basis of biological molecules like proteins and nucleic acids. Second, they serve as the foundation of modern materials science, enabling the creation of countless new materials. Third, they are critical in medicine and drug delivery systems, improving healthcare and treatment options. Finally, polymers shape the everyday products and technology we rely on, from clothing to electronics. Understanding polymers opens the door to comprehending both the natural world and human innovation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.